viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am so excited to make this video because I am going to share with y'all my favorite products from Amrutam. Okay, this was a very difficult video to decide and tell y'all, but I'm gonna explain now. I have been using their products for, I think it's at least 9 months now. I think so, at least, okay? And I started with a hair spa, and I'm going to show you all pictures and videos of almost everything that I've used, and I love them. So here's some real simple tea to just remind you all how you can have gorgeous skin. Is that you need to work out well, you need to eat well, you need to sleep well, and of course you need to be able to manage your stress out, and the most important one of all of them, you need to be able to manage your mental health. That means if you're always going to be angry, if you're always going to be sad, if you're always going to be, I'm not good enough, I'm not, all of that in your mind, it's going to show on your skin. Now, I'm going to explain this like this, okay? If you work well here, body, physically, emotionally, and all of these things, your physical will also show, yeah? So if you're going to be in a better mental space, your body will also be in a better body space, if that makes sense. Having said this, you might eat the healthiest food, okay? You might have your carbs right, you might have proteins right, you might have all of those things right, but still there might be some nutrition or nutrients lacking in you. That means maybe you might pop a multivitamin, and there's nothing wrong in that. I pop multivitamins because you have to also take that little extra care. Amrutam, my dear loves, is that extra vitamin for you to just make sure, and again, no way telling you you're lacking, but just telling you maybe you can take care of yourself a little better. That's all. Just thought that I needed to share that. Enjoy the rest of the video. Now this is actually the older hair spa of mine, and this is the newer one. I have had 3 of this totally. I love this. I have put water inside this so that I could use it more. This is how much I love it, yeah. And and now it's difficult. It was always difficult for me to choose, but I have to say this is where I saw maximum results, and especially with my long hair now. Hi my loves. Okay, so in the first part of the video, I have washed my hair, but I haven't used any oil or the Kuntal Care hair spa. However, even though it does look healthy, it looks pretty dry. However, in the second video, as you can see, there is a lot more life in my hair, plus the frizziness and dryness has also reduced. I'm going to pose now because why not? My hair is looking freaking amazing. I applied the Kuntal Care hair spa from Amrutam for about 30 minutes before I washed my hair, and I love it. But the honest truth is, like, every one of their products is freaking amazing. Like, even this face cleanup I've used, like, y'all can see, oh my god, I can't even tell you all how much I love them. But I think more of the reasons why I love them is just simply because, other than the fact that they are 100% Ayurvedic and 100% natural, it feels yummy on the skin. So you know the number one reason why I love them? It's because they don't tell you things like, oh, you're not good enough, or oh, use this product and you'll get fairer, or oh, then you'll be beautiful. No. They are like, you're already freaking beautiful, which you are, and you're already amazing. It's just that these products are going to make your skin and hair healthier. That's it. Can I tell you another reason why I love them and why you will love them also? So I'm really trying to go like plastic free and just being a little bit more environmentally conscious. And yes, their bottles are plastic, okay? But here's the thing. If you buy like 5, or eventually later in life if you buy 5 and you have bottles of 5, they will come to you and take their bottles back, and these bottles are reusable. So it's not like, oh, I'm going to throw this and it's not going to be disposed. No, they'll reuse it again. Come on! People need to be more conscious in their brands, okay? I'm moving away from you now. Ma, what do you think about the Amrutam the Amrutam body oil that you used?
Good.
How did your skin feel?
Oh, soft.
Yeah?
Nice, very nice.
Yeah, do you like the smell and all?
Yeah, smell is very good.
Yeah? Okay, thanks, bye mom.
Bye, darling.
Now, Amrutam's mantra is health is beauty. So, their recipes have been developed by modifying the ancient wisdom in the Vedas and Ayurvedic principles to suit the needs of a modern lifestyle. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how you can use the Amrutam Kuntal Care do-it-yourself hair spa. Now, all you need to do is just take a little smudge onto your palm. Now, as you do so, you can take to the quality and quantity of your hair and scalp. Okay, so I just take a little bit. From here I'm going to squish it in my palm, and as I do this I'm just going to apply this again on my hair and my scalp completely. Now you can keep this on for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or even throughout the night, whatever is suitable for you. This revitalizes your scalp and it helps in strengthening of your hair roots. It is useful for stopping hair loss, helps hair regrowth, and it keeps your hair healthy and black. Now for maximum benefit, you can wash your hair with the Kuntal Care Herbal shampoo afterwards. Or even better, you can use the Bhringraj hair therapy, which is 2-in-1 because it has the herbal shampoo plus a conditioner as well. They're freaking awesome. So here's the thing. I like my skincare products like I like my friends. Non-toxic. Also, there is a special discount code which is Natasha 15, and you get 15% off on any of their products. Plus, you can use this code over and 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 over again. The link and all the extra information is all in the description below. Till I see you next time. Practice daily, stay safe, stay humble. Okay, bye.